At the top, we made it. All right, honey, don't tap me. Monoma Falls, May 2026, me and Sarah. Beautiful. Made it to the top. That's the first drop. This is the second drop, the big one.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll go. This is the second drop. Me and Sarah's first together. Go back a bit. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This would be fun to swim in, to be honest. There's a little thing here. That would be fun to swim in. We just gotta be careful not to be swept down that shit. But yeah.
Monoma Falls. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's pretty up here.
It smells good. The air is cool. I want to jump in there.
Yeah, right? I was just saying that this right here would be so fun to swim in.
Oh, yeah.
You just gotta be careful not to get swept in. But,
Oh my god. Whoops.
That would suck.
Whoops.
Yeah, you die. You die for sure.
Babe.
But yeah, beautiful.
You can almost climb up. Climb up right there.
Right? Now you'd be kind of trapped. Looks like people have tried though over here.
Oh yeah.
I'll come down and over there. But yeah, beautiful. This is the trail coming in. And down here, the end of it. For those who haven't been here yet. And it's like this little circular like deck thing. But yeah. May 2026.